How to delete a post on Instagram. If you want to delete a post on Instagram, all you need to do is follow these few simple steps. Hello everyone and welcome to Tech Talk. So first thing first, open Instagram on a device. And once you open it, go to your profile and then find the post that you want to delete. So here, let me delete this post. So to delete it, just tap on it. So once you tap on it, on top right hand side of your screen, you will find this two bars icon. So here it is. So tap on it and then you will see all these pop-ups. So here at the bottom of your screen, you will find this option to delete. So just tap on it. Once you tap on it, you will see this pop-up. So here tap and delete and then it's deleting. So here you can see the post has been successfully deleted and it stays in archive for 30 days. So if you want to get it back, you can always do that. So this is how you can delete any post on Instagram. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Follow us for more helpful tutorials. Subscribe.